Place flour, salt, butter in a food processor. Blend on high speed for 8 seconds or until it resembles breadcrumbs. Pour milk all over the flour. Blend for 6 to 8 seconds on high speed or until the crumb turn into a ball. Transfer dough onto work surface. Knead lightly no more than 10 times just to bring the dough together. Using a cookie cutter, cut the dough straight down. Do not twist the cutter as it might cause your scone to be uneven. Brush the top of your dough with some milk and put it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. This is how it looks like when it's out of the oven. You can spread it with your favorite spread. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. Till next time, bye!